What if you are getting the opportunity to work with a company which is a multinational, and the company which is providing immense employee benefits, and a company which is giving you the important interview tips, which is informing you about the success secret of cracking an interview, and that too before you go for the interview. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh, and in today's video I am going to tell you the opportunity which is available with Deloitte. So Deloitte is one of the amazing company, one of the multinational company, and it provides huge employee benefits. So we'll be discussing about the profile further in this video, but before that I urge to you guys, if you can give me a suggestion. So I am preparing the videos here, I am posting the videos here for freshers and experienced, both the candidates. So if you can just tell me how many of you are actually freshers, how many of you are experienced, if you can just comment me in my video, in this video or upcoming videos. So it will give me a fair idea that what kind of content I need to create. I need to create the content for experienced candidates, or I need to create the content for only fresher candidates, or I need to create the mix. So I would really appreciate if you can just mention your comment in the comment box. So let's just go through the profile details, the eligibility criteria, so that accordingly you can apply. And later on I'll be telling you the employee benefits which Deloitte is providing and how you can know the interview process of Deloitte. So guys, Deloitte is hiring for net full stack developer, analyst and senior analyst, both the profiles. So junior and senior, both the profiles are available. Position summary, if we will talk about, so you will be involved into design technology solution to enable the delivery of function and marketplace service and management information system, should process good .NET, C# and SQL skills. And what will be your job responsibilities? You will be responsible to the development and support and maintain application and technology solution. You need to ensure that all the development efforts meet or exceed client expectation. Application should meet requirement of spoke functionally and time and adherence to all defined and agreed upon standard. And you should become familiar with the development tools, testing tools, methodologies and processes. You need to be familiar with the project management and methodology and processes. You need to encourage collaborative effort with onshore and offshore team members. You should demonstrate a strong working understanding of the industry, best standard in the software development and version controlling. You should ensure the quality and low bug rates of the code released into production. You should assist the technical lead and project team duties as required. You should work under the direction of application manager or assistant manager. So this will be a profile where you will be working as associate or senior associate, and you will be reporting to assistant manager or application manager. You need to develop supporting and other material as required. You need to develop and maintain internal project documentation. And you might need to work staggered shift 11 to 8 to ensure appropriate overlap of the India and US teams. So this is the complete profile. I have briefed you that what will be your job responsibilities. Now if we will talk about the eligibility criteria. So education qualification which is required is MCA, MSc, Computer Science, MTech, Engineering, BSc, Computers. So a skill set which is required is ASP.NET, MVC, strong in C#, OOPS, Concept, WCF, ASP.NET, Web API, AJAX, HTML, HTML5, CSS, Query, JavaScript, SQL Server, automated unit testing, applying design pattern, performance turning, C# and SQL, third party web control, Agile. So Agile is also a very important skill here. And candidates are preferred from the front-end framework, client-side application, SSRS, SSIS. And here in this profile, they need at least 3 to 6 years of work experience. So if you have relevant experience, you can apply here. So this is the only reason I have asked you how many of you are experienced and how many of you are freshers. So accordingly, I can post the job updates and career updates here. So this is the entire profile. And now if we will talk about the employee benefits, what kind of benefits you are getting here. So you can see huge benefits they have mentioned. They have paid time off and holidays. They have life and family benefits, like if you want to go for sabbatical for your own enhancement or to rest, you can go there. Paternal and maternity leaves are also available. 26 weeks of paid maternity leave will be available for female and 10 days paternal leave will be available for the male employees. Medical insurance will be given, live well program will be given, discounted health screening will be given 24/7, online health portal will be available for you guys. Apart from this, reward and recognition will be there, car lease program will be there, PDA program will be there, employer discount program will be there, in-house wellness room will be there, on-site fitness gym will be there, and relocation assistance will be there. So these are huge benefits which Deloitte is providing you. So these many benefits they are providing, it sounds really interesting. And if we will talk about the application process, guys, I am giving you link in the description box for this particular profile. So once you will click on the link, you will see the apply button. You just need to click on the apply button. If you are not registered to the Deloitte, you need to register yourself, otherwise directly you can apply. Now last and not the least, I wanted to tell you about the interview process, how you can know the interview process. So one more link I am giving you in the description box. Once you will click on the link, you will see the complete interview tips which has been given by Deloitte itself, which has been given by company itself. So it will definitely going to help you if you're going to apply for this position in the Deloitte or any other position in the Deloitte. So guys, I hope I have covered the maximum details in this video, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.